Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today I'm gonna tell you the 3 most exciting Chrome extensions which you didn't know about. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is called Turn Off Light. It's a very useful Chrome extension. So basically what it does, when you play a video on YouTube, it automatically dims out the area except the video, which makes the video looks more popped up and more glowing. So the second one is called Dark Reader. This is the most needed extension in 2021, where every website is offering us dark mode. But there are still some websites that doesn't offer us dark mode. So that's when this extension comes in handy. It literally blacks out every other website out there which doesn't support dark mode. The third one is Natural Reader. What it does is, it reads all the text on your screen that you have selected. To do this, simply turn on this extension and select the text on your screen. You will find the small headset in the last. Just click on it and voila! So I hope you will find this video useful. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.